How to set up and operate your new heavy-duty digital tire inflation tool from Powermate PX. You will need the following tools to complete the setup: an adjustable wrench, thread seal tape, and safety glasses. Before operating the inflation tool for the first time, pull the battery protection strip from the battery compartment. Next, put thread seal tape on the threads of the included 1/4-inch NPT industrial male plug and install the plug into the base of the inflator. Tighten with an adjustable wrench. You are now able to connect an air supply fitted with a 1/4-inch industrial quick connect coupler on the end. Now turn on the inflator by pressing the on unit light button. The LCD should display 0 units. To select the desired units of pressure, press and hold the on unit light button for 2 seconds. Continue this procedure until the desired units are shown. To turn on the LCD display backlight, press and release the on unit light button. Now connect the tire inflator to an air supply and ensure your tool pressure is regulated to not exceed 150 psi. Note, always wear eye protection marked to comply with ANSI Z87.1 standards when operating this tool. Remove the tire valve cap and press the air chuck onto the valve stem. Ensure there is no air leaking around the chuck. Turn on the inflator and press the inflation lever to release air into the tire. Release the inflation lever and read the pressure on the LCD display. Continue until your desired tire pressure is reached. If the pressure is higher than desired, simply press the air release valve to release air from the tire. When satisfied with the tire pressure, remove the chuck from the valve stem and reinstall the valve cap. Note, the tire inflation tool can be used to check the tire pressure even when not attached to an air supply system. And that's it. You can now set up and operate your new heavy-duty digital tire inflation tool from Powermate PX.